If this is really going to be the meme coin super cycle and Bitcoin has already broke $72,000, what is going to happen to Turbo? There's some very big news that I believe was overlooked by part of the community with Turbo recently, a Chainlink integration. What does this mean and what could this do to Turbo? Bridging Turbo, not just from Ethereum, but also onto BNB, the fourth largest blockchain in the world. And a lot of people don't even know Turbo is actually available on Solana also. So we're going to get into everything that this could potentially mean and what it will do for Turbo. But also, when is Turbo going to break that pestering 1 penny, guys? I want to get into that. But first, I want to welcome you back to Freeman Finance and Crypto, where if it makes money, it makes sense, guys. From the bottom of my heart, I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. But if you're not subscribed, please pause the video, hit subscribe, hit that bell notification. Now let's get into the video, guys. Like I said, that 1 penny has been a little bully for us, but you know, we obviously passed it up here and now we are under that, sitting at a $642 million market cap, the people's token. And guys, I just want to say something. I know I give the spill at the beginning of the video. Let me know if y'all like that or not, but the truth is I really am grateful for every single one of you. I never thought this channel would take off and I'm so appreciative of it. I'm so appreciative of everyone in the Turbo community, the crypto community, the meme community, and I really do truly love you all. But let's get into this. So I want to come back to this price in a minute, but I do want to look at this, guys. I believe this is one of the biggest things Turbo has ever had happen. As you can see here, powering smart contracts with real world data. Right here, Turbo is bridging to BNB chain, using Chainlink CCIP, enabling interoperability between Ethereum and BNB chain. This will expand Turbo's ecosystem and create even more opportunities for our community. And you can see right here, Chainlink posted something yesterday, and you can see they did this to various blockchains, including Base, BNB chain, Binax Labs, Ethereum, Linea, and Optimism. And you can see the only meme coin that I know of or even recognize on here is Turbo. So what could this mean for Turbo? That means out of the top 4 biggest cryptocurrencies, not including stablecoins, you've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and BNB chain. Obviously, Turbo is not on BTC chain, but it's on 3 of the biggest worldwide cryptocurrency, the biggest blockchains in the world. People have access to Turbo from that. And it's the cutest little toad you've ever seen with a rocket pack on his back. This is huge. Look at this. Look at the market cap combined of these right here, guys. When we look at Ethereum, $315 billion. BNB, another $90 billion. Solana, another $83 billion, guys. That's almost over 25% of the overall cryptocurrency market cap right here. When we look at that, that's over 500. So right at about 20%. But guys, that is a lot of liquidity. So people that are only on BNB chain, people that only are on Solana, people that love Ethereum like myself, all have access to the same great token. But I pose us to ask ourselves a question. Why is this happening right now? We know about a month ago, it was announced that there was going to be a large exchange listing, the biggest exchange listing Turbo ever had, Binance, the world's largest exchange. The only one we're really waiting on is Coinbase and even potentially Robinhood. So this is all happening right now. This has got to be kind of strategic, in my opinion, on what Binance is doing. I'm really interested to see where this goes, but I do want to look at the price action in a second. I also want to look at BTC, but when we look at this, listed on over 100 spot exchanges, guys, that's crazy. I have a recommendation to the guys that do the Turbo website. How about let's just put a little bitty part that says this is where Turbo is not listed. That would be a lot easier than updating this every time there is an exchange listing, guys. I mean, everyone from Binance, KuCoin, Kraken, guys, there's all of them. There's even the sponsor of Freeman Finance and Crypto, Caleb and Brown, on there, guys. This is a brokerage where people have a direct line. Pick up the phone, call the broker. This is not an automated service or anything like that, guys. It's absolutely free to sign up. There will be a promotional link down below. Check it out. Talk to your broker. See if y'all have a relationship before you ever use the platform. But let's get back into Turbo, guys. When we look at this right here, if we were to measure this line right here, guys, and I'm trying to get better at my TA every day, we could see it sitting right here at this 50% retracement. And so I could potentially see it even going down here, but there's one thing that might stop it from going down there, and that's the fact that BTC is at $72,000. I'm so ready to see this historic bull run, but remember, guys, none of this is ever financial advice. I'm got slightly a degen and loves finance, and the truth is cryptocurrency is extremely risky, guys, so we don't ever want to fall into FOMO, fear of missing out, and buy the top, because somebody's going to buy the top, and we don't want it to be us. But when we look at it, it has broken out of this long bull flag, this long wedge, whatever you want to call it, that has been forming since March. So that is just an absolutely beautiful thing to see. Today was a great day. The memes are lagging a little bit, as we could see here on the Turbo chart. So I don't know if it's going to pull back even more from here. It could, no telling how low it really could go, but I do believe in what Murad said, that this is going to be the meme coin super cycle, guys. These are cult-like communities, and when you have people that are meme coin lovers like myself on Ethereum, but then also from Solana, and then also from Binance Smart Chain, BNB, guys, the three largest smart contract, cryptocurrencies in the world, guys, the future is so bright for Turbo. And then let's get into some more news. They were listed on LCX Exchange, guys. And one thing that I really love is this is a community-driven token. It even says it right here. This website is an independent community-driven platform and does not officially represent Turbo. The content provided is solely for entertainment and educational purposes, just like this video. And you see all Turbo brand assets are in public domain. So why do I mention that? Because all of this artwork is done by community members, the same way that the AMA is just done by community members. Nothing's being done by Rhett, to my knowledge, and none of us were with Rhett, right? We're just early investors into this beautiful project. And then Turbo also got on this other integration. If you can read this, let me know what it says down in the comments below. But guys, everything is looking good. I do not think this is a bull trap. I think this is the real deal. And I'll tell you what, guys, I've been traveling a lot lately, and I don't have cable at the house, but I do watch news when I'm out and about. And over the last few weeks, I haven't seen one mention of Bitcoin on the big cable news channels. But whenever it breaks an all-time high, people are going to be hearing Bitcoin breaks all-time high, and then people are going to be calling their 401ks, hey, can I get some of that ETF? And then people are going to flood in, guys. So I just think the future is bright this cycle. I feel like we're so early to cryptocurrency, only being a $2.5 trillion market cap. When we look at macroeconomical things, the Fed in the United States cut interest rates by 0.5%. They're about to cut it by 0.25%. China's flooding the market with liquidity. Canada just cut interest rates, and this cheaper liquidity is about to happen all around the globe, guys. So when we look at Turbo, it's sitting at about 0.0095. When are we going to break that penny? The largest integration that I believe has ever came to Turbo is this Chainlink, bringing it on to BNB. When you look at when it comes to smart contracts, number one's Ethereum, number two is Binance, and number three is Solana. And currently, Turbo is available on absolutely every one of those, guys. But seriously, someone take my recommendation. Let's change this to be where Turbo is not listed, guys, because it is absolutely everywhere. But guys, I'm trying to change the studio. I want some recommendations on what to put right here, guys. Let me know. I also got a secret lab chair coming in the mail. I'm trying to spice this thing up, guys, and bring you guys in the Freeman of Finance family the absolute best content in all of crypto YouTube, guys. Give me recommendations. And if you're not a part of the Freeman of Finance family, subscribe, guys. But let me know, what do you think is going on with Turbo, and when do you think it is going to break the previous all-time high and sustain it? But guys, I love every single one of you. Like I said, that's the honest to God truth. Cryptocurrency is extremely risky, but I love navigating this journey with every single one of you.